Welcome back, Tigers! In this video, we're going to review how to integrate Google Meet with Salesforce. If you are on Enterprise Edition or above and you use Google Meet, you will learn how you can take advantage of some features from Einstein Conversation Insights in a future video. Let's go check out how to integrate Salesforce with Google Meet in minutes. All right, here we are in Salesforce, and our first step is to go into Setup. And then we're going to go to Permission Sets. And you're going to go to the Conversation Insights for Sales permission set. And you will manage the assignments, and you will assign it to any of the users who will need access to this. Our next step is to enable Einstein Conversation Insights. And then you're going to enable ECI. Then you'll be able to see Google Meet Video Setup in the Quick Find. And then first you'll need to agree to the terms of service. Then you'll need to identify any email addresses you want to exclude from data capture. If we click Manage Excluded Email Addresses, this is going to look very familiar from our Einstein Activity Capture video. It's going to allow you to identify internal customer domains as well as specific email addresses to exclude. So it all reads from these same settings. Then we're going to enable the Google Meet integration. And now we're ready to allow each user to connect their Google Meet account, and we'll show you what that looks like. All right, now we're here logged in as Lila, and Lila gets this message letting her know that Conversation Insights is here and she can connect her Google Meet account. If she just says, nope, don't show me this again, and closes this out, there is a banner up here. If she says no to this as well, users are just click happy. They can also go into their avatar. They can go to settings, and then we'll scroll down to the bottom here under connected accounts, and then go to video accounts, and Lila will go through these steps. First step is to review and agree to terms of service. She can identify any excluded addresses that she wants to add, and then she's going to connect her Google Meet account. So you will also need to make sure that you enable permissions for Salesforce for everything that it's asking for. If you don't select all of them, you will receive an error when you try to use this service. All right, and those are all the steps that we need to set up the Google Meet integration to be able to use Einstein Conversation Insights. That's it, that's a wrap. Be sure to subscribe to Blue Tiger Academy so you don't miss our next video, where we will show you how to use the free Einstein Conversation Insights features you have access to in Enterprise Edition and above for up to 10 users. Einstein Conversation Insights allows you to show video recordings in Salesforce, customize insights to help your managers easily identify key moments in conversations, and provide coaching comments on video calls. Let us know in the comments below if you have any questions or if you'd like to see a video on a different Salesforce topic. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.